In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use tags on Shopify to organize your products and make store management easier. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Products and select the product you want to edit. On the product page, look for the Tags section on the right side. Click inside the tag field and type the tags you want to add, such as product categories, seasons, colors, brands, or other keywords relevant to your inventory. Press enter after each tag to add it. You can include multiple tags for a single product to improve organization and filtering. Once you've added your tags, click Save to apply the changes. Tags help you organize products, create automated collections, and quickly filter items within your Shopify admin. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use tags on Shopify. Thanks for watching.